Alrighty guys, we got another Bespoke post box to unbox. We'll see what's in it, right? Or what this one's even called. There's trash. Oh, there it is. This is what's in here. This is Tool Shed. So the box is called Tool Shed. So it's got retro safety glasses. I'm a big fan of safety glasses, and I can always use more. I'm always looking for mine, and I can never find them. So awesome. I mean, not that I'm excited to spend like $57 for safety glasses, but they're retro, right? Back in the, yeah, we called these birth control glasses. So BCGs. That's what we call. That's what we call birth control glasses. You wear these. What else is in here? Is this supposed to be in here? Yep, Hero Clip Mini. Okay, I'm not really sure about this. Whole reason why we get some different things, right? Always a reason to need a knife. Always. I'm glad I opened that one because it came in handy already. Alright, so this is Hero Clip, maybe a gear aid. Alright, so it's a clip, okay? And then it's got this other thing that is like a hook. So you can hang it somewhere. Yeah, this, whatever. Be careless. Alright, and then, yeah, this large infinity tool. No clue. A bracelet. I have a bit of a thing hanging off. Yeah, I have no clue. I mean, maybe wrap it around something to keep something tight on something. Not gonna be very. I'll find something to use it for, or I'll throw it in the box, or throw it away. Whatever. It's fine. We didn't pay for that, right? Now this is what the majority of the box is, and it is a Scar folding saw. Also made by Gear Aid. Oh well, made in China. What do you know? But it's a folding saw. Why am I messing with the box? Am I gonna like jab into anything if I just like stab it? It's one of those things you want to give them props for good sturdy packaging, but then you also want to yell at them for good sturdy packaging. I cannot get it out. Oh, there we go. There we go. Okay, so they have it. That is atrocious. Like I had to destroy this package just to get it out. Okay. Well, you know. Yeah, I think I'm going to go to yell at them for the sturdy packaging because, I mean, now you can't read anything on the back because you need a good way to get it open. It is what it is. Alright, so it's got a nice little sheath with it. Ooh. Okay, that was not good. So right here is a hook. A little bit of a hook. Right? I grabbed a hold there, pulled, and kind of pulled a little bit of my skin. Not bleeding, but well, it did kind of puncture in a little bit. So the sheath, that sheathing, really no good way to grab a hold of this to pull it out, right? I mean, you grab this way and pull, you get stuck. The intuitive thing to do is grab a hold and pull, but then you're going to get cut. Or at least potentially cut. Safety glasses. They're important. I don't know if that has to do with anything. Alright, so not real big fan of the putting your cloth belt through those holes. You're not going to put a regular belt through those. My belts will not fit through there at all. Even if I slide them through, it's not going to fit. So. I don't know too many guys that wear cloth belts these days. I don't know too many guys that wear belts, period. I mean, I'm just open. Alright. What's the small writings? Cut hazard. You think? We already discovered that. Alright, so we got this blade here. A little bit of rubber mixed with a little bit of plastic. The black is plastic, the gray is rubber, the orange is plastic. Okay, so what's this do, right? Push that orange up in and it does nothing, so I'm going to assume I have to pull it out first, which those two little nooks right there are going to lock into the back here. There we go. Now you got a little banana saw type thing. It says foldings. Banana saw. Actually, that feels pretty sharp. As far as being able to saw a tree limb or two, you'll be able to get a few. I don't know how you sharpen this after that. It's kind of irregular. I mean, maybe a file. But ooh, that's going to be a lot of work because every other blade, every other tooth is sharpened on this side, and then every other tooth is on this side. So if it's not sharp on this side, it's sharp on this side. It's every other one, so that's going to be not fun to sharpen. That's what you need for the cut. It's not going to be fun. Well, once this gets dull, I'm probably not going to sharpen this. It's going to take a lot of work. So to fold it back up, put your thumb here, push in, and then fold it right onto your fingers and cut your hand off. So, gear aid. Design flaws, right? Design flaws. These hooks, okay, nooks rather, I'm sorry, these nooks, great for keeping it open. Okay, great for locking in here to keep it open. Not great for pulling it out of the sheathing. Like that sheathing is horrible. It doesn't even quite fit. Like seriously, I'm pushing in pretty hard, right? Of course, I was going in the wrong way. But once you get in there, it's like you have to like push a little too much. It does fit nice once it's in there, but to get it back out, you're risking cutting your customers. You're risking injury to your customers with this right here. Okay, so pull it out, grab a hold with your fingers on the hard plastic, yank it out, and it does kind of stick a bit, which generally I would say you want, but with this I don't know, wavered look on here, it's really flimsy and cheap feeling and cheap looking, and it just doesn't seem like it's gonna work. I mean, it'll work to hold it, but ease of putting it in and pulling it out, yeah, no, I mean, too much effort. Alright, the blade itself though, I mean, once you get it out of the sheathing, these are still a poke hazard or a scratch hazard or a laceration hazard. No, I'm not bleeding. No. And then, of course, unfolding it, no real problem there. But to require the person to use their thumb on this, fold to close. Your fingers are in the way. And she will, if you push it in, she will rock back a little too far, which then isn't a lot. So you got to push forward again to lock it in place. Not that big of a deal. The biggest deal, I mean, really, once it's open, the biggest deal. Who's in? Yeah, there's damage to the blade right there. Looks like it's sealed with some sort of plastic. And it looks like it got hot and the plastic bubbled. That's what it looks like. Really what it looks like. I mean, Okay, whatever though. I mean, I'm gonna put the glasses back on because safety. But there's no way, not that I can see, to push this in to close it without having your fingers in the way. I mean, unless you want to do it like this. I mean, well, still, your fingers gonna be in the way. Like, okay, like that, your thumb's gonna be in the way. Like, there's no way to close this without your fingers being in the line of fire. I mean, okay, I mean, maybe hold it down here, push up on there, and kind of slam it down into something so that your fingers aren't in the line of fire. Like, come on. This is piss poor design. Piss poor. I don't even care if it works. To sit there and have to have your fingers in the line of fire to close it. Clearly, you don't care about your customers. Clearly. Don't buy this box. It's trash.